Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. A survey of 500 people found that 300 of them like tea, 250 like coffee, and 100 like both tea and coffee. If a person is chosen at random from the group, what is the probability that they like tea but not coffee? If you find this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. To answer this question, we're going to use a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a visual tool to represent the relationships between different sets of data or groups of objects. It consists of overlapping circles or other shapes where each circle represents a different set. Using a Venn diagram to answer this question, we will have two circles, one representing tea and another representing coffee. The circles overlap, so let's draw our Venn diagram. The universal set is the group that encompasses all the sets, which in this case has the value 500. We write that in the inner corner of the rectangle of our Venn diagram, or just outside. The overlapping section in the middle represents items that belong to both sets. In this case, the number of people who like both tea and coffee. In the question, we're told that there are 100 people in this group. Therefore, we can put 100 in the middle. The left-sided part of the diagram represents the people who only like tea. In the question, we're told there are 300 people who like tea. Given that 100 of this group are already included in the center, and 300 minus 100 equals 200, we write 200 on the left side in the section which represents those who like only tea. The right-sided part of the diagram represents the people who only like coffee. In the question, we're told there are 250 people who like coffee. As before, given 100 of this group are already included in the center, and 250 minus 100 equals 150, we write 150 on the right side in the section representing those who like only coffee. Now that we've completed our Venn diagram, we can answer the question. We're asked to find the probability that a person chosen at random likes tea but not coffee. Using the correct probability notation, we write this as P, open bracket T intersection C apostrophe. The part of the Venn diagram that represents the set of people who only like tea is the left side. And the value in that part of the diagram is 200. So there are 200 people who like tea but not coffee. The probability that somebody chosen at random likes tea but not coffee is 200 divided by 500, since the universal set is 500. This can be simplified to 2 divided by 5. So the answer to the question is 2/5. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.